Hey guys, let's talk about the autofill functions in Excel, just some of the basics here. So let's say that you've got a table set up with information and you need to fill in the rest of these blanks relatively quickly. Well, if the information is the same, like you want to say everybody in this particular set of data is doing fine, what I can do is select the first doing fine here, hover over the little square at the end, and then drag that down. Notice how the cursor is that black crosshair there. That means that you're going to autofill based on the data in the selected cells. So I can let go, and now they're all filled in with doing fine. Didn't have to do any work there. Now let's say that these students, if they were all first period, I could just do like that. Now they're all first period, but that doesn't make sense. They're not all first period. Let's say that I put these in period order. And I need these to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and so forth. Maybe it's just something you're counting or whatever. Well, that same spot right down here, that corner where the square is, if I hold down the control key, notice how it added that little plus sign in there. Hold down the control key, click and hold, and then drag it down. And look, it gives you a little preview of the counting. See that? 6, 7, 8. Like, oh, there it goes. It auto-counted for me. Now, that's really useful for some cases. Sometimes you want to continue a pattern. And in this case, under this absences column, I've got 2 and then 4. Let's say that it just continued with this pattern all the way down to Jenny, who's really bad about coming to school. I can highlight both together and then grab the little corner here, click and hold and drag it down, and it continues that pattern, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And so forth like that. So hopefully that's really helpful to you. You have a little autofill options here where you can change. Let's say that's not exactly the way you want it filled. You can change some of these options here. So fill with formatting and things like that. We'll get into that in more advanced trainings. But there you go.